Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show how to record screen in Windows. It is a simple trick that we can use in our every Windows, which is having Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. The first step is to click Windows and G, then you will get a pop-up here, and if you want to screen record, if you want to start, then you should click this capture button. It will instantly pop up another pop-up, and if and click on here, then the screen recording will start here. This trick will record both screen recording with audio. This is a good feature which is having for both Windows 10 and 11, and which is not available for below versions of Windows 10 and 11. I hope you like the video. If you want more tricks, uh, please subscribe and support for getting more videos. Thank you. And also here there is an option to see the screen recording gallery. Let me first finish this video, and here we get a notification that game clip recorded, and if you want to see all the recorded videos of ours, then we should go for here, see my captures. Then you will get a pop-up screen here. All the recording clips are available here. If you want to delete or open an F file, all these options will be available here. Yeah, thank you.